Hello everyone, my name is Fartin here and I was a student of Korea University. I have got 592 in NEET 2020. So as I am a NEET aspirant, I am going to give you some tips that might help you to pursue more score. So firstly, NEET is not testing us how hard we can solve, how tough we can solve. It is testing how much we can solve in less time. So you have already known that concept is very important in NEET examination. Along with the concept, the another thing that is important is your accuracy and speed. Speed and accuracy can only be get through regular practice, preferably from a single book, not more than 2 or 3 material. That's not suitable because you will get confused. And in this struggle of NEET, I was accompanied with Dream Career and especially Roshan sir because I was weak at chemistry. I could not solve organic reactions, especially the reactions of carboxylic acid, alcohol, phenol. That's very weak section of me. So I took special care of that and take coaching in Dream Career Institute with Roshan sir. Roshan sir taught me everything I need, and I have got 148 in chemistry in NEET 2020. That's enough for me because as compared to that in NEET 2019 I have got only 95 marks. So I have improved in this subject only because of Roshan sir, I can say that, because Roshan sir always teaches us from NCERT and no topic is missed by Roshan sir. Some teacher misses some topic like easy topic they call, but it's not easy, it's all equal weightage by mark. So leaving any topic does not help any student anymore, and Roshan sir will not ignore a single topic and always take the source as NCERT. So you will get always benefit. And to score more mark in chemistry, you must go through chemistry NCERT, both class 11 and 12, both part 1 and part 2. So you can start with inorganic and organic, then physical chemistry, and especially in physical chemistry the in-text question, the textual question and the examples are very important. And Roshan sir have taught the physical chemistry in a unique way. Unlike other teacher, they spend a whole lot year in physical chemistry and ignore block chemistry, hydrogen as block, many other topic, small topic they missed out. But Roshan sir taught inorganic especially because inorganic is a easy and reliable subject to score. If you study inorganic, you can score. Unlike in physical, there is a chance to do silly mistakes. So in spite of not taking coaching with Abdul sir or Anti sir, they are also very helpful with me because they want their student to shine. They always help me when I need. They always solve the doubt of physics and biology respectively whenever I need. So I also thank to them because they also take a major portion in solving doubt, because some of the question in Dream Care test which I could not solve has been taught by NT sir and Abdul sir. They are also very helpful in providing materials, getting right materials to score more. And one more thing about physics I want to tell you that in physics the practice is very important. Regular practice with concept is the most important thing. If you cannot understand something, please consult teacher immediately, because without concept you cannot do a very good score in NEET. And the NEET question has been conceptualized nowadays very much, so you have to focus on concept as well as practicing more numericals rather than doing tough numericals. Do more numericals at NEET level. That will be very helpful to you. And I hope in biology, NCERT biology is the mother of everything. If you don't study NCERT, you will be at back foot at every corner of the exam, I guess. And lastly, I want to tell you that the NEET exam is going to be again easy, but this time will be very conceptualized from the deep pages of NCERT, not like shallow question that you have earlier got from important topics. There is no topics, there is no selective topics. Every topic is important, every word is important from NCERT. So in chemistry or biology, if you are going to pick up an important topic and study them very well, it will not gonna work, because you can see in this year many questions, unexpected questions were not from important topics. Like in physics, you can see there is 3 questions from Newton dimension. And in chemistry, there is a question from paper chromatography. I missed that because I did not study that. So I don't want you to miss any question. In order to do all the question, you must go through the NCERT very well. Without NCERT, you cannot even think of getting NEET nowadays, because NTA is giving question based on NCERT. The question of physics is not from the NCERT, but if you study NCERT, effective, because it will take more time and there are too many tough numerical to solve in NCERT physics. So I would recommend you to do any one book that is easy to solve and have NEET level question and answer. And one more thing is very important for NEET is to correct your error. Suppose in a exam you have missed 4 questions and all from the same topic. That means that topic is weak. Don't miss that topic. You should do the topic very well. Every time you fail in a topic, you should practice more on that, because there is no selective topic in NEET and all the topics have equal weightage. There is no special topic in NEET. You will get always a question from every chapter, from S block, from hydrogen, from environmental chemistry, from Newton dimension, from EM waves. From every chapter there will be one question. And in this year there were 3 questions in NEET from Newton dimension. That what makes me think that no chapter is more important than other, and every chapter have equal weightage. You should get the topic and do more numericals in physics, and while in chemistry and biology you should focus on NCERT, as the question will be from the bedrock of the NCERT. I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you very much.